liking. I'm loving all the art and all the games. Grandpa, who do you want to be today? Oh, okay, so right here I have I have 3 selectable. Has money and no conscience. Loves Cheetos. Hates a Guitar Hero. Alright, so we got, who should we start? Let's start playing with Grandpa. I'm like, I'm not sure what the controls are. Oh, okay, so it's like a DDR. Oh shoot, I should go to the, alright.
Oh dear.
I suck at these games, by the way. Dang it. Look at him dance, dude. Oops. I love this guy, dude. He's jamming. Did you guys made all the music tracks too? The music's fantastic. What the? You gotta post a soundtrack, dude. Who did the music? I'm gonna turn this down a little bit. You guys do all the on the thing. It's all. Wait a minute. I have another character I can play with, chat.